I can make it spit in a little.
What's up guys, welcome back to Mammoth 4runner. I am inside the 6th gen and the build is coming along very nicely, and I just got the 38s and the long travel and everything put on, and I've been getting a lot of comments on, oh, you know, the turbo in there, the 4-cylinder, it can't push those 38s, and oh, it's gonna be spooling like crazy. I wanted to do a quick little test and really what it sounds like and what it feels like through a normal drive. So I'm actually headed over to Wicked Creations. We're gonna get the truck up on the forklift, do some stretches, get some cool shots, and see where we're rubbing. Where I'm at, it's about 20 minutes away. So I have to get on the freeway. It's kind of an uphill, it's a downhill, uphill, and I was thinking about it, and it's kind of like the normal driving, and you get a bit of everything on the way there. So I figured let's go ahead and put the mic under the hood like we did with the Sxth Elements cool air intake install, and just hear what this thing is doing, what it sounds like. Go ahead and clock the gas mileage too, so you guys get an idea of what MPG I'm getting on the highway versus what I am getting around town, because right now around town I'm at that 10.5, and I don't have sliders, I don't have armor, I don't have a rear tire, I don't have rear bumper, front bumper, I don't have any of that yet. So I'm averaging 10.5 to 11 just around town. So let's go ahead and check out what it is on the highway. It's a 20-minute drive. Obviously cut the video, but I'm gonna leave the parts that give you the best idea of what it sounds like on a normal drive. So if you guys are interested in throwing 38s on your 6th gen 4runner or your 4th gen Tacoma, you get an idea of what you're walking into. Anyway guys, let's go ahead and get the mic under the hood. Big shout out to Sxth Element Engineering. I'm gonna leave a link to my install video for them and their product. Their cool air intake is awesome, and it's gonna provide all the cool sounds, the turbo sounds for this video, and you get to see exactly what it sounds like a little bit more clear than it does from stock. Oh, my favorite way to be driving the truck, and even when I had the Tacoma, I put it on tow haul mode, and then when I got tuned, I didn't have to do that anymore. The tune on these trucks are night and day. If it's anything like the Tacoma was, I'll leave a link to that video that I did with the tune on the 4th gen Tacoma, and it's not like the 5th gen where you're like, I think I feel it. You know what I mean? It's like, if this was like immediate, like, oh shoot, all right, there we go. It's like I, put on a pedal commander and it's going. Which, by the way, I will be getting a pedal commander because I'm gonna be at their booth at SEMA this year, so I'll be rocking the pedal commander. I've always been a fan of pedal commander, so I'm gonna come back when we're getting on the freeway and it's kind of an uphill getting onto the toll road, so I have to gain some speed so you'll be able to see what it sounds like getting on the freeway. Kind of gun it for you. And right now I'm going uphill, so I can hear the turbo going, and you can see it just spitting. It's the RPMs, about almost 3,000 going uphill. crazy too, because I actually don't drive like this normally. You know, I'm like at the 65 usually. So this is where I'm at. We're going uphill on the toll road right now. Slower vehicles, keep right. I'm not a slow vehicle, guys. I'm just not. The 6th gen and the 4th gen Tacomas are just night and day from the previous models, and people don't seem to believe that. They're just, I don't know why they're so hesitant, because, oh, it's a 4-cylinder, oh, what's this? I can make it spit it a little. I love that sound. Shout out to Sxth Element for having such a badass cold air intake that you can literally hear every spray. And we're going to a downhill now. But yeah, that's my opinion on the 6th gen. You know, it gets a lot of hate because of the 4-cylinder, but it is by far just a better situation going on there. And it really is. You know, I remember in the 5th gen, like, you needed a pedal commander, you needed a throttle gradient, you needed something to help, you know, that thing accelerate. The throttle response was so bad, and you know, with this, it's just it's just good to go. And you got all the drive modes too. I mean, you have speed. You can go sport mode. Let's see. Take it off tow haul mode. And you got eco. You got normal. I do this while I'm driving. Probably get a bunch of shit in the comments here. Sport mode, which honestly that's what I drive on mostly, and now with the 38s, if I feel like I'm just kind of like lagging a little, I just put on tow haul mode. I'm tow hauling myself. Hey guys, so I went up to Wicked, I came back from Wicked, I'm just about home, and my miles per gallon is 13 MPG, so not too shabby. Now I don't have sliders, I don't have any of the other stuff on yet, so that won't last. Hey, I just went to 13.1, so not bad with just long travel and 38-inch tires. So I hope you all liked the video. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Help out the channel. I got still tons of installs going on as usual. Still late. 30 days till SEMA as of this video. Getting a little nervous because the sliders I got to put on look like a pain in the ass. Wish me luck. See you guys in the next one. Peace.